Could you pronounce these words, please? Мишка, Мишка. Мила, Мила. Сир, Сир. Now say I. Hi everyone, it's Anastasia here. The sound U doesn't seem to be pretty difficult, though some of the students just cannot pronounce it correctly. So in this video, we are going to have a look at the most common mistakes. I'll also show you the mechanics of the sound and show you some exercises that you can do right here and right now. As a result, you will gradually reduce your accent and say «Вы слышите» instead of «Вы слышите». Mastering the sound U involves 3 steps. And first of all, you need to understand whether you really hear it or not. I mean that probably you do not have the sound in your mother tongue, so you may not even comprehend the difference between A and U, E and U, E and U. So let's make sure that you really distinguish the sound. Listen to the following syllables. Do they sound similar or different? Мы, ми, вы, ви, з, зи. And what about the words? Мыс, мис, лыс, лис, сыр, сир. Do you hear any difference? In the first syllables or words, I used the sound U, while in the second ones, I used E. Please don't be discouraged if you hear a little or no difference. Watch the video up to then, because you'll find a bunch of exercises that will help. Now let's move to the next step and find out what happens in our mouth when we are saying U. I'm offering to use other, more simple sounds as a bridge to reach the sound U. We all can pronounce the sound E. How do we do that? We open our mouth, relax your tongue and make sure that it's behind your lower teeth. Then stretch your lips. Now grab a pen and gnaw it like that. By doing this, move your tongue backwards. It should hang over a pen. This is incorrect. Let the tip of your tongue bump against the pen. Now say long E. E. Congratulations! You've just put your tongue in a proper position that allows it to pronounce the proper U sound. Did you notice that the root of our tongue goes up? Of course, I'm not offering you to chew a pen every time you want to say the proper U sound, so let's produce it with no external help. Let's make all the steps once again. Open your mouth, relax your tongue, make sure it's behind your lower teeth, and then say E and stretch the root of your tongue upwards. E. Another starting point can be the sound U. So compress your lips and then stretch them in a long smile. U. Here comes the sound U. Now the time for the huge disclaimer. Remember that all these exercises are designed to help you understand how the tongue works. When we pronounce words and syllables, our lips are relaxed. Nobody says me or vui. We're now finally moving to the next step, where I'll merge the sound U with consonants to make syllables and words. The best way to improve your pronunciation right here and right now is this. Grab your phone, repeat the words and syllables after me and record your voice. Then listen to your recording and compare our pronunciation. If it's different, then analyze. In what way is it different? I mean, really, don't bail on it. Are you ready? Let's go. Д, ди, с, си, з, зи, п, пи, б, би, н, ни, м, ми, ты, ти. Now let's try the words with the stressed «ы» sound. Мышь, сыр, забыл, грибы, столы. Now listen to your recording. Is your speech different from mine? How is it different? Share your results in the comments section below. Okay guys, I know that this video is already too long, but I just can't leave you without this awesome tongue twister about a little girl, Mila, who is washing her toy mouse with a soap. You'll find the text in the first comment below the video. Мыла Мила мышку мылом. Мила мыла уронила. Уронила Мила мыло. Мышку мылом не домыла. Can you repeat that so that there is a clear distinction between the sounds «ы» and «и»? Give it a try and share the results in the comments below. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you feel like if you need some further assistance with pronunciation of Russian sounds, don't hesitate to contact me via email or any social nets. All the links are provided below the video. Please like, subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next videos. Пока-пока!